if this is your first time here, I just want you to take a moment to hit the subscribe button. What are we waiting for? Hit the bell while you're down there, because listen, it's just a 2-for-1 combo at this point. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back this week. This week, I'm doing a pretty awesome video. I'm excited about it because, hold on, un momento. Ooh, Chile. Y'all can, listen, I'm so excited about this. Wow. Okay, first of all, if you don't know who this beauty is, this is Lira Gel. I believe that's your name. I'm excited. This is her company, Laidxlira, and today I'm doing a collaboration video with them. These products were sent to me to test out. That's why my natural hair is out now, y'all. I know, you're like, wait a minute, Cass, we ain't seen it in a minute. Shh. She likes to stay protected, okay? So mind your business when you see it. Alright guys, so like I said before, I am doing a video in collaboration with Laidxlira. And I'm going to direct you to her website. If you guys like what you see in this video, please go to Laidxlira.com. I'll put it down below. I'm sure it's Laid by Lira, but the X is supposed to be by. Anyways, Laidxlira.com. Let me double check on that because you guys know I be slipping sometimes. I was right. Woo! So within this box lies the Laidxlira Edge Control and the Laidxlira Hair Gel, as well as the Edge Toothbrush. This, open the box, the first thing you see is this thank you card, and on the front side is just the Laidxlira logo and her picture. Super cute. And then it has the website, which is www.laidxlira.com. So visit there if you want to get any of these products. And then on the back side is just a thank you for shopping with her. Super cute. I love it. Now this I was not expecting. I was just like, oh, I'm gonna get the hair products. Whoop-de-woo, I'm excited. But you know what? My girl really said, sis, we're gonna give you the full package. A shopper? Are you nuts? This thing is so cute. It says baby hair God, and God is spelled G-A-W-D. Stop playing with me. Like, this really doesn't have to be this cute. Why? She didn't have to do this because all I see is this with some biker shorts. Oh, actually I have some hot pink track pants that will go cute with this a fit. If you know me, you know I love fanny packs. It's really the only kind of purse I wear now because it's small. I can put it on like a crossbody bag and I don't have to take it off, and I can like put my seatbelt and stuff over it. It works. This one says Galore Girl. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I just love it. It's very basic, but it has a lot of pockets. It has a back pocket right here. So that's fun. You can put your wallet in there, and then it has a lot of space when you open up the front pouch, and then it has a front pocket for your gloss, baby. So I really love fanny packs, like I said. So this one is very cute, and I will be wearing her with the shackle to match because, like, why would this ever be this cute? Okay, let's get to the products, baby. So this beautiful box, like, can we take a moment of silencio, por favor, because look at the box itself. Why would she ever make something this cute? You know what, I expected, because I mean she's just gorgeous in her own light, so why wouldn't the packaging literally reflect that? I'm not playing. I can't make this up, guys. Okay, so here we go. When you open it, it has a mirror inside. You know, actually now that I think about this, if I take out this little insert, I could put my makeup in here and travel with this as like my makeup box. Lira, I've had enough. Like, at this point, you're just giving the girls what they didn't even know they needed. This is actually a really good idea. Wow, I'm gonna pat myself on the back. So, like I said, it has a mirror. This little spot is empty. I'll show you what was in there. So this is the Laidxlira Edge Control Gel, and this is the Laidxlira Edge Control. These work for all hair types, and so that's why I really wanted to bust out the natural hair to show you guys, because I could have easily just laid my edges on my wig and be like, all right guys, this is it. But I said, you know what, no, I'm gonna give the girls what they need. So that's why I busted out the natural hair. I wanted to really test to see how it held. So I will review these products for you in a little bit. I just want to get through the unboxing. And then you also have another little reflective box right here, and this is an edge control brush. This is the brush. I love it because it has a curve on it, so when you're holding it, it's like your hand isn't cramped. Most brushes are straight, like the ones that I have always been just really straight. This one has a nice curve, so it fits your hand perfectly. A portion of it is very long, and I like that. Like, do you see how long that is? So the bristles are very soft actually, and that's what I like about it. Sometimes they can be a little bit rough. I have 2 of them that I've gotten from a beauty supply store and they're a little rough, but these ones are actually very gentle on the edges as well, and they're long. The only thing I would recommend for this brush is I wish it had the little fine tooth comb at the end, just because that is like essential to do your edges. That's the only thing that's missing. Hopefully she'll do like a part 2 and she'll just get another brush and do the same, because this is a very good brush. If it had the comb on it, it would have been a 10 out of 10. Alright guys, so this is the Laidxlira Edge Control. Like I said, it's good for all hair types. On the packaging it actually says strong hold for natural and relaxed hair, so we're giving you options, ladies. I'm gonna just open it up and tell you about it. It's pretty like a gel consistency, as you can hear in here. I like it because it actually holds your edges down while you're getting ready to set them. I've used edge controls where you literally put it on your hair and it's like grease, so immediately you put it on your edges and then it just puffs up, and I'm just like, so I can't just do all of my edges and then set them. I'm gonna have to go through each one, and you know, it's just too much. So this one actually, you're able to swoop your hair, it stays laid, and I was able to do like at least like a few swoops. And I went in with the actual gel. Like I said, I learned the hard way. I used to think I could just use edge control, but with my 4C hair, I found that using the edge control and then setting it with the gel was the combination that I needed. The styling gel is actually, the consistency is quite watery, and not super watery. I would just say it's a lot looser than what you would expect a gel to be. Obviously gels sometimes can be a little bit chunky and clunky, but they are a little bit, they have some movement to it. This one's just a little bit more, the consistency is a little bit looser than other gels that I've used, which I thought would be an issue. I was like, oh wow, I probably won't lay my hair, but it does really well. And I actually like that the consistency is like this, because once you, like I said, do the edge control and then you add this on top, if you need to go back in and re-swoop your hair, it doesn't just immediately lay it. You have some time to like go back in and mold your edges. So I really did enjoy that. The thing I love about these products is that it's perfect for as far as natural hair goes. I love it because it doesn't just lay your hair down and leave it stuck. Like, it's not like, it leaves it laid, but then over time it gets a little bit fluffy, but it still stays in its conformed state, so it looks very natural. And I think that's what I really like about the product. When I wore it yesterday, I was just like, okay, this feels right. Like, I don't have to literally go in and wash the gel out of my edges in order to like start a new style. I can brush it back and it's good to go. But then also, if I leave it alone, it stays stuck, but it's not like a firm hold where it just looks like, okay, my skin is pulled and stuff like that. You guys have used those intense gels. The only time I want my gel to be like that is when I'm trying to secure my wig. This you would not be able to secure your wig with, which is not what it's for. Like you said, it's supposed to be doing your edges or laying your hair. So it's very nice. Like, my hair doesn't feel like it has a whole bunch of product in it, but it's still laid. So that's what I really enjoy about these products, guys. So if you're looking for that natural, secure look, this is definitely the product for you. You're not gonna have that super drying feeling of your hair. Like, if I took my hair out of a ponytail right now, it wouldn't just be like flat and I would have to like brush it out. You guys know those products. This one, I would just be able to start styling my hair. Like I said, it gives you a hold, but it gives you like a natural hold. So perfect. The last thing that came in the box is, y'all, Lira really thought of everything. My good sis threw a satin scarf in here that is almost reflective. It matches the packaging so beautifully. It has her Laidxlira right here on the bottom corner. I just feel like a super unicorn when I wear this. It's actually very stretchy. It's a firm hold, but it's quite stretchy when you fold it how you need to, and then obviously when you need to tie it. You feel that? You see that? She stretches. She gives you movement. I really love this. It's so cute. I didn't want to mess up the front with any like dry gel, so I just turned it inside out and I used it. This is literally the cutest scarf ever. Like, she didn't have to do this, but she did. Alright guys, that is the end of the review portion of the video. I did record myself doing this bun this morning, so if you guys want to see how I achieved this bun and laid my edges, then please stay tuned. I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, if you do like any of these products or you want to give them a whirl, then please check out Laidxlira.com. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.